A very good afternoon to class 6th. As you know, yesterday we have completed our chapter 12, which is about the ratios and proportion. Now, from today onwards, we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 13, whose name is line symmetry. Which chapter we are going to be started? Line symmetry. And today we will do the exercise 13.1, which is about the line symmetry. Everyone knows the meaning of line, right? Means a single line, or you can say when we join the 2 points. When we join the 2 points, that is called line segments. Clear? Now, it comes to the second name, that is symmetry. Second one is symmetry. What do you mean by symmetry? Symmetry, you can say like this object, this figure, like this figure. When I draw any line like this, either vertical or horizontal. Remember this, either vertical and horizontal. Only two are there, vertical or horizontal. These two lines I draw in the figure. If with any line, vertical or horizontal, if it divides the figure in the two parts and the two parts are equal, like before this we drawn it vertically, verticals line जो वो ऐसे होती हैं, horizontals will be like this. I hope everyone knows these are horizontal and these types of line are vertical. If I drawn the line vertically over this figure, it divides the shape like this. It divides the shape like in this way, right? Means both the parts are equal. So this is symmetry. Whenever a line divides the object into two parts, into two or more parts which are identical to each other, what we call them identical to each other. Identical means दोनों equal हों देखने में. Like when you are standing in front of the mirror, there is a difference between when you up your left hand in the mirror, it shows you are upping your right hand, right? But if you are standing straight, you are identical to each other. Means आप same to same show होते हो. If you are not making, even you can say, if you are not moving your body, you are standing straight in front of the mirror, then you will identical to each other, same to same. So what do you mean by symmetry or symmetrical? Image or objects that can be divided two or more parts, all of which are identical to each other, is called as symmetrical in shape, in size. Clear? So symmetry क्या होती है बच्चे? लाइन सिमेट्री क्या होती है? जब भी हम किसी फिगर इमेज पे कोई लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, वो वर्टिकल्स में भी हो सकती है, वो हॉरिजॉन्टल वे में भी हो सकती है. दैट लाइन डिवाइड्स द इमेज or the object into two equal parts, or you can say two or more parts which are identical to each other. That is called the line of symmetry, right? The line, visible or imaginary, which divides an object or image into two matching halves is known as the line of symmetry, or you can say the axis of symmetry. Okay? Clear the meaning of the line symmetry? After this, सिमेट्रीज होती है बेटा टू टाइप्स की. सिमेट्रीज आर टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट सिमेट्री इज सेम लाइक द नेम, horizontal line of symmetry, and second is vertical line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry, or second name is vertical line of symmetry. Clear? What is first one? First type is horizontal line of symmetry and second is vertical line of symmetry. They are also simple as like their name. How? In which figure the symmetry is possible with the horizontal way, like this one. You can take B. For horizontal line symmetry, the best example is B. When I draw a line of symmetry, this one is, you can say, the small d created, and they both are equal in shape and size. So this is we call horizontal line of symmetry. Second, vertical line of symmetry, example I gave in the starting, 1 2 3 4 5 sides, it means pentagon. Which one? Pentagon, right? So horizontal line of symmetry के लिए best example है B. Vertical line of symmetry के लिए best example is your pentagon, and you can say triangle also. Best example is triangle also. How it is possible? See, this is triangle, vertical. When I draw line like this, it divides into two parts, right? So this is best example of vertical line of symmetry. Okay students, now let's come to your exercise 13.1, which is this. So first question is filling the blanks, that is, the line of symmetry is also called the dash of symmetry. Line of symmetry is also called axis of symmetry. So what come here? Axis. Second, an isosceles triangle has dash lines of symmetry. So firstly, we will draw here isosceles triangle. So here, see, this triangle example I give you in the starting, that in the triangle, how many lines of symmetries are there? Only one line, like this. If I draw the line here, this is a triangle. If I draw this horizontal type, can it divide the triangle into two? One is this and second is this. They are identical? No. So how many lines of symmetry in triangle? In triangle, one line of symmetry is there, right? Next question is, you can say the next fill up is, a scalene triangle has dash lines of symmetry. So scalene triangles, देखो बेटा, scalene triangles जो है वो which is not equal in any side, or you can say out of three sides, no single side is equal. So it can be in this shape also. Sorry, these are four shapes. It can be like any shape. So if I draw a line here or like this, it is not divide the isosceles triangle in equal two parts, right? So scalene triangle में क्या होता है बच्चे? No line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and these sides are this one. So that's why it has only one line of symmetry. Clear? Next, D part is, a kite shaped figure has dash line of symmetry. So answer of this is, see, firstly, this is the shape of kite. So it has only one line of symmetry, like either this one or this one, right? Kite में क्या होता है, adjacent sides equal होती है, and I hope you know about the adjacent sides. We have discussed in the previous chapters also. So kite has one line of symmetry, right? Kite has one line of symmetry. Clear this one? After that, next question K2. Filling the blank, same here. A line of symmetry divide an object or shape into two equal parts. What come here? Two equal parts. B is, if the line of symmetry is vertical, it is called a dash line of symmetry. So this you will write yourself. Now, next are S1. In this, draw the line of symmetry in the figure given below. So firstly, we will draw the figure. The figure is in this shape. So if I draw the line like this, it is not divide the figure into two parts. So the line is like this. As see, जब आप इसको टर्न करेंगे बेटा, ये एक आपके ट्राइंगल की शेप लेगा. So the line will be like this, horizontal line, right? You have to draw this line with the help of scale, and it should be divide the given shape in the two equal parts, right? किसे parts में? Equal parts में divide करें. Clear? After this, S2 again, that is the shape of an arrow type. Which type of shape? Arrow shape, like this. Like this one. These types of arrows used on the path, right? So here the line of symmetry is this one, vertical, right? In this, the line of symmetry is vertical line symmetry. You have to check that by which line you will get the symmetry of the figure, right? If vertical, firstly check by vertical. If it is possible, then good. If it is not possible, then try with the horizontal line. Clear? Next is, one shape is given like this. Then like this, and downside. It is given that draw the other half of the symmetrical figure given below. So other half is like this, right? Clear? This one is little more big. This you will do with the help of scale. I am doing here roughly. Next is S4. Identify the figure that has and have the vertical line of symmetry. So here are some figures given that are like this. A1, like this, like this figure, then here, and then like this. B1, like this. This one, right? C is this box. You can say the plus sign. And D is So firstly, see, by this figure only, अगर हम firstly we will check by vertical. Vertical, is it possible? No. If I will try with horizontal, then it is also not possible, because this side, it is not given any. This side is one box. Clear? So this figure has no line of symmetry. Clear? You have to check beta by drawing like this. In this figure, if I draw the line like this, vertical shape. So see, same position is this side, same is this side. Right? So it means this part has the line of symmetry. Right? You have to draw the line of symmetry. Same come to this one. These are equal shape. This one also come here. Little bit this one. Right? So if I draw the line of symmetry like this, then it also divides in the same part, half this side, half this side. And if I draw the line of symmetry, then also it is same. Right? So yes, C part has the line of symmetry. Now come to A part. One more in this one mistake बेटा, यहाँ पे आपको ये चेक करना है that has vertical line of symmetry or not. Vertical means standing line of symmetries are there or not. So now see, in these both we have done. In D part, if I draw the line like this, which I described earlier also, this side one, this side is not given. It means this is not has vertical line of symmetry. Same come to this. If I draw one line, vertical line, so is it equal this side part and this side part? No. So this figure also not has the vertical line of symmetry. Clear this one? Now come to the S5. Identify the figures that has horizontal line of symmetry. So in the S5, we have to check the horizontal line of symmetry, right? So there are only 3 figures. First one is one square, like this. Horizontal line of symmetry means like this we have to check. देखो, upper part and lower part both are same, so it means yes, it has which line? Horizontal line of symmetry. Second example is given there of bicycle. So beta, bicycle में everyone seen bicycle, right? Everyone knows. So bicycle में आपकी कोई भी लाइन की सिमेट्री नहीं होती, बिकॉज देखो आगे का पोर्शंस, जो आपका हैंडल वाला पोर्शन है दैट इज़ डिफरेंट, बैक साइड सीट वाला पोर्शन जो होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है, राइट? सो अगर आप वहाँ से वर्टिकल करोगे दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. नाउ कम टू हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन विच वी हैव टू चेक. तो हॉरिजॉन्टल में अगर हम बीच में लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं, मिडल वन, सो डाउन साइड क्या आएंगे आपकी? टायर, एंड अपर साइड द शीट्स कम्स, विच इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट equal. So bicycle, no, it not has horizontal line of symmetry. Clear? Next, C part is of given star shape. Like this. Right, so if in this, if you draw which one? we have to check the horizontal, right, for this. So here if we go with the horizontal part like this, then is it equal, both parts? No, they are not equal, right? So this is also not has the horizontal line of symmetry. Clear this? After that, this one is S5. S6 is construct a line segment of length 5.8 centimeter and draw its line of symmetry. So क्या करोगे आप? Take a scale, put it like this, right? Measure on 5.8 up to here, A, B. 5.8 half, 2 to the 4.9. It comes here. So line of symmetry is this point. Clear? 2.9 इस पॉइंट से इधर भी 2.9 होगा, इसके आफ्टर भी 2.9 होगा. हाउ इट कम्स? लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री डिवाइड्स द शेप इन टू पार्ट्स, राइट, विच आर इक्वल और यू कैन से विच आर आइडेंटिकल. सो यहाँ पे जब आप हमें टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है, इट मीन्स वी विल डिवाइड 5.8 विद 2 एंड इट कम्स 2.9. क्लियर इट इज? Next one is write down numbers from 0 to 9. Treat them as figures and identify the line of symmetry in each, if at all there is any. So now about this line of symmetry in the digits you learn in class 5th. So once again we will check here which number has which line of symmetry. So firstly we will write here 0. This question number is S7. 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can write 4 like this. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It is given from 0 to 9. Now come to 0. If I draw horizontal, it divides. If I draw vertical, it divides. It means 0 has horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Clear? After that 1 vertical draw karoge, you get nothing. If I draw on horizontal, then also it means no line of symmetry, or you can write no line symmetry. Clear? 2, this one not, so this also no line of symmetry. Clear? Now come to the third one. See, some are drawing the 3 like this, right? So here if I draw a line in this, same part here and same part here, so it has which horizontal line of symmetry? Which one? Horizontal. Next is 4. So देखो 4 में आप इस फिगर में चेक करो. No. Here also is there any? So you will write here no line symmetry. What you will write? No line symmetry. Next one for 5. Is it has? No. So it also same. In the 6, it is also not. 7 you will check yourself. Now come to 8. 8 is same like 3. If I will draw like this, firstly in this, right, and for this. सी बोथ ही कंडीशन में आपका क्या क्रिएट हो रहा है 8. सो यू विल राइट हेयर बोथ हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल. नाउ कम टू 9. 9 ऑल्सो यू विल चेक योर सेल्फ विच लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज देयर. Clear students? So this is our first exercise of chapter 13, which is about the line symmetry, right? In this chapter, in this exercise, you studied about how to write horizontal and vertical line of symmetry, how to find which object has horizontal line of symmetry and which object has vertical line of symmetry, right? After this, our next topic of exercise 13.2 is that is also similar to this, how to make symmetrical figures, right? You can say making symmetrical figures. In the next video, I will tell you how to make the symmetrical figures, how you will make them, right? So by today's also you can try to create the figures which are symmetricals. Clear students? If anyone have any doubt in this exercise, you can comment and ask.